Hello everyone, I'm Jane Nady. I own Imperfect Pathways, and we are here to tell you about an event we have coming up.
I'm Kennedy Fritz-Junker. I'm a women's menopause specialist here at Imperfect Pathways, and we're really excited to host an upcoming event called a Midlife Wellness Workshop for women who are going through the menopause transition. That includes perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause. And we're doing this because what we keep hearing from women over and over again is that they just don't have enough support, not a lot of great information, and just being around other women who get it, who are going through their own journey, and we can learn from each other. So Jane will tell you a little bit more about when that is.
We will be holding sessions every Tuesday from 6 to 7:30. The first session will start July 29th, and then we'll be every Tuesday after that for 4 sessions in total. We'll be covering a lot of different things within the workshop. We're going to start with understanding your hormones and really just demystifying what's going on with your body, understanding all the changes that you may be experiencing.
We're also going to learn some strategies. We're really excited about this part because women always, it's important to go home with something you can do that day. So we're going to learn strategies for better sleep, navigating moods, and just managing the absolute chaos sometimes that women are experiencing as they go through this transition. And also mastering your mindset, because how you feel about yourself and about the chaos that you're experiencing is really important. So maybe shifting that to feel more empowering as you go through this journey.
Yeah, absolutely. We're also going to make sure that when you leave, not only at the end of each session, but at the end of all 4 sessions total, you leave with an action plan that you've created for yourself, something that helps you move forward and take the next steps in the journey after the workshop ends. So we just want to make sure to let you know that this is really about building community with one another, with women that get it, providing a safe space with support and real tools you can use and effective support, and just ask that, you come and join us. If you're age 35 or up, or in that any stage of perimenopause, menopause, postmenopause, we want you to come and join us.
And come ready to have fun too, because it's, like she said, it's a workshop format, so it's going to be very interactive. We're going to have a lot of fun together. You're really going to get to know the other participants. You're going to get to do some journaling and some talking and some sharing, and like we said, learn a lot of tools. So we're really excited, and we hope to see you there.